So what I want to give you is an overview of some ideas on how we as the Commission for Mission can come together to develop a new way of providing a service-based learning approach for poverty, community and justice within schools. And the reason I think this is particularly advantageous to the SHARE team is that this new approach has, as one of its aims, the creation of a culture of giving. Let's just have a quick look at the situation as it stands right now. Obviously, there's some great work being done, but this, as I think we can all agree, can be improved. We have a variety of units within the CFM that do some work with schools, but that work is a bit dispersed. Schools are part of the wider Uniting Church, but not necessarily connected to us at the Synod or to elements of the Uniting Church community. We're also at a bit of a crossroads in the way we're teaching children at the moment and the way children are learning. What I think we're seeing is a big shift away from how we learned at school. That is, everyone who finished school over the past 20 years or so, and the way students learn now. I believe that if we really want to connect with young people today, we need to look at some good models of what I refer to as post-industrial education. There are numerous reasons for this, but that's for another presentation. Essentially, what we've been looking at is a program that will take students on a learning journey from Year 7 through to Year 12 with progressive steps along the way. It's this learning journey which I believe is key to the development of a culture of giving and the building of a connection between people beginning in adolescence through to early adulthood with the work of the CFM and the wider church. Obviously, it would benefit all of us if we could come together with a united approach that shared resources, knowledge and networks. We actually have a lot of these already, and coordinating them in a single program for schools has benefits for everyone. This learning journey would see a series of programs from Year 7 through to Year 12, each designed to progress through the student's experience at school. But it's much more than a traditional program that gets put on a shelf with just bits and pieces taken out every once in a while. This is where the new ideas come in. This program would rely on grassroots ideas initiated by students. This could mean taking the ideas of students, for example, a social enterprise idea that could be funded by a SHARE grant. What this could mean is that students lead their idea but with skills we give them. The students actually learn philanthropy on their own through their own initiatives. The participants would take part in collaborative and team-based activities, inspiring one another and feeding off one another's ideas. We'd also look to bring in game-based learning and new social technologies. As they progress through the years, they build a broader understanding not only about philanthropy, but also about the reasons for poverty and numerous possible solutions around the issues we work with within the CFM. By seeing and reflecting on real issues, they'll gain physical and spiritual connections that could stay with them for life. There, of course, are opportunities to incorporate certifications, internships and traineeships throughout our network. So basically, this learning journey will bring us, within the CFM, together to not necessarily deliver a program, but design a system of working with young people that will build a number of connections that will benefit them, the work of the CFM and the wider community.